Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how you can add a line in Wing Studio. So adding a line in your website gives you breaks on the content. So to add a line, for example, just click on the plus icon at the top left-hand corner and then select here either you want horizontal or vertical line. So for example, this one here, just drag and move to the location you want. For example, here, and then if you're going to click on stretch, it will basically or fully stretch to your page. Then if we want to go back that, just click on this icon here, which is unstretch. And then you can use the dot basically to resize the line. For example, you want to make it smaller or you want to make it a bigger line like this. And then here we have also some other settings. So basically once you set up, you can click on rotate. And then if you want to horizontal line or vertical, so depending on your preference here. And then also we have other options like the three dots here. If you want to duplicate this line, just click on duplicate. And as you can see, we have two lines over here on our website. Now, if you want to customize it, just click on the arrow button right there at the top right hand corner. And then here you can change and customize the color. For example, you want to add a color, and also you can change the design if you want straight line or dotted line, so depending on your preference. Now the second one here, so I'm going to select the second one and then change it to the same color. And also you can also customize the line width, or if you want to make it thicker, so just adjust this one. So that's all. That's how you basically use or add this line in Wing Studio. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you in the next video.